Namaskar, welcome to Vidula's Kitchen. We use condensed milk in many recipes like ice creams, mango creams. So, today we will see how to make condensed milk at home. It's very easy and simple recipe. For that, I have taken half liter of high fat milk and 3/4 bowl of sugar. We have to heat the milk in regular pan and we have to remove the layer of cream from that hot milk. Now we will take a non-stick pan and we will put this milk into the pan. And start the flame, and we have to keep the flame on low all the time. It will require lot of time and patience. So once you start the flame, keep it on low continuously and do not stir it so that it will not form more cream on it. Now I am going to add the 3/4 bowl of sugar into the milk and we will dissolve all the sugar into the milk on low to medium flame. So you can increase the flame for now and we will stir it continuously and we will dissolve all the sugar. All the sugar get dissolved in the milk. Now do not stir it and decrease the flame and keep it on low and do not touch the pan and keep it as it is for 15 to 20 minutes. So now we will check it after 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, the thin layer of cream will appear on the top of the milk. So we will delicately remove that. We don't want cream layers in our condensed milk. So we have to remove the thin layer of cream. Do not stir the milk at the bottom. The milk is boiling on low flame only, so I have removed the thin layer from the top of the milk. Now again we will keep it as it is for 15 more minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, the milk got reduced to half of its original quantity. But again a thin layer of cream has been formed. So we will remove this layer also and we can turn off the flame. I have turned off the flame. Now you can see the very rich creamy texture has been formed, same like as marketed condensed milk. And now we will keep it aside to let it cool completely, then we will keep it in freeze. So first we will let it cool down completely. Our condensed milk cooled down completely. You can see the color and texture of this milk. You can keep it in freeze for 1 to 2 weeks and you can use in different varieties. Now we will fill this in a container, preferably a glass container with airtight lid. From half liter of milk we have made this much of condensed milk. You can use in different dishes and give me a feedback how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe Vidula's Kitchen for more recipes.